Jai Hind to all and welcome to your YouTube channel MNT, The Futurist, and today I am going to discuss some security concerns emerging in our neighbor. You see, what a peace during this regime of Nobel Peace Prize winner. My knowledge might be little less in this. Do let me know what are the credentials of this award and what kind of personalities should be once you get awarded, with this kind of, award. Now, if Professor Yunus was awarded for his work in Grameen Bank for people, as a welfare, why was he ousted from his own bank by his own people? Everyone likes welfare, so he was doing welfare. And now, since the time this interim government has been formed, it has been rising problems for India. Now, we saw Arakan army strikes in Bangladesh. There are multiple aspects of Rohingyas associated to this attack. China and America's influence is also seen there. I have already gone into the details and I will make a separate video on this very soon. But today I want to touch the way Bangladesh is testing patience of Bharat. India has launched a strong protest with Dhaka over a now deleted social media post by a key aide. A recent incident has sparked tensions between India and Bangladesh's interim government. Now, this person, Mahfouz Alam, who is a close aide of Professor Muhammad Yunus, he made a contentious claim that certain areas of Indian territory, including parts of West Bengal, Tripura, and Assam, should be part of Bangladesh. Now, this post was quickly deleted after it triggered the backlash. But the damage was already done. Now, this move only indicates the immaturity and lack of understanding of the geopolitical dynamics and play by these Bangladeshis and its government. It's alarming that the interim government of Bangladesh, led by Professor Muhammad Yunus, reckless behavior, they don't do anything about this reckless behavior to occur. And Yunus was even seen welcomed in USA, which makes this incident even more perplexing. He was even seen praising about this person, Mahfouz Alam, and he clearly said to the American audience that his efforts in Bangladesh has led to this present situation. So because according to them and him, Bangladesh is improving. See, if he's so upright, strong, courageous, patriotic, then why did he delete the post? The immaturity with no facts is also reminding me with a similar instance done by these Maldivian people. These countries, they lead to take only and only revenge. Why? Because they are run by the support of other nations. So दिमाग और पैसा दोनों की ही कमी है ऐसे देशों में, एंड ये करते वो हैं जो यूएस और चाइना इनसे करवाना चाहते हैं. So we are surrounded by proxy nations. Bangladesh, Pakistan and China is a dragon. Now, but still they have a little brain, so that we are still able to have some kind of conversations. Now, India on the other hand has shown high standards of maturity and patience in this response. The Ministry of External Affairs have cautioned Bangladesh to be mindful of its actions, demonstrating a measured approach to this situation. Now the question remains, how should India react to this immaturity? अब ये interim government है, they are supposedly not a permanent government, and the elections of Bangladesh are expected to be not before late 2025 and मेरे ख्याल से 2026 तक भी हो सकता है. So ये interim government इसी तरह से neighbor में conflicts और tensions create करते रहेंगे. Let's see if something changes after January 20th. When Donald Trump takes over in USA. According to me, probabilities are quite less. His core interest would be America, Russia-Ukraine war, erasing Iran regime, and making America economically strong. So US-Bangladesh relationship is also nothing very great, except Bangladesh increased dependence on trade and exports from US. US also considers Bangladesh to be the counterpiece of its Indo-Pacific strategy, given its geostrategic position in the Bay of Bengal. which is an integral part of Indo-Pacific and its growing, economic prowess. So that's where they keep aiding Bangladesh to increase their own presence. So, which also strengthens the status of Bangladesh as a proxy nation only. So, accordingly, the US seeks to sign two defense pacts with Bangladeshi government, the General Security of Military Information Agreement and the Acquisition of Cross-Servicing Agreement to further strengthen the security in the Indo-Pacific region. So, Donald Trump will have his own interest and his priorities will not change even if some conflict rises in this, in this region of the world. Now, one missile launch from India can easily remove this immature segment of these immature people from this planet, but we will not do. They looted temples, they killed monks, they harassed Hindus, they even, broke Hindu lord deities. They were broken by jihadis in in Bangladesh. Many disturbing videos of images against the Hindu fraternity are also seen across the web. And some funny person wrote on my YouTube channel that Hindus are all good in Bangladesh, good and safe in Bangladesh. So let's also come down to understand the status of this nation. Although it is showing to the world that they are not afraid of Bharat, but इनकी असलियत क्या है? They begged us for 50 metric tons of rice and they don't have money to pay. Okay, what did we do? We gave 1,000 metric tons of rice to Lesotho, which is in South Africa, which is in Africa region. Now it's a small nation and it is dealing with a lot of crisis, famine crisis. They didn't even ask for it. Bharat is an epitome of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. We are a soft power, but few people who considers humility and soft power as a weakness, they are always backfired. This is a law. If India wants, we can immediately stop their sugar, rice and atta. Geographically, when we see, Bangladesh is surrounded by India from three sides and fourth side is Myanmar. Arakan army has already assaulted, Bangladesh and Myanmar is already dealing with its own internal issues. So एक अच्छे पड़ोसी राज्य की तरह से रहना अगर बांग्लादेश को नहीं आएगा, then Bharat is a very strong, stable, matured nation where they should know, Bangladesh should know, we know how to beat silently. But Western media then ये publish ना करे that India has created violence. So let us know what do you feel about this context in our comment section. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Do like and share this video to all your fellow citizens.